Ladies and gentlemen, you've got a Shopify store and you have the Powered by Shopify on your password page. Today, I'm going to show you how to actually remove that. So let's dive in. So we're on our Shopify homepage over here, and on the left side, you'll see online store. You're going to click on that and it should put you onto the themes page. Now once you're on the themes page, you'll come over to the right hand side, you'll see customize, and just to the left of that you'll see three dots and you'll get this menu. Here you want to look for edit default theme content. Open that page up and you will get a bunch of options. On the right hand side you will see a little search and filter option. Click on that and dial in powered. Hit enter, and these are all the options that you can change with the word powered in it. So you will see the password page. Okay, so right now I do not have a password page, but you will look for password page and it'll look something like this. Over here it'll say password page, it'll say links and powered by Shopify. And here all you have to do is add a space. All right, so you are going to remove powered by Shopify. You'll just type in a space there, come up to the top, click on save, and now there will literally be a space where it used to say powered by Shopify. I hope this was helpful.